Hello guys. I'm here with my friends. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Yop.
And
my name is Steffano.
Yeah, we're gonna do a different thing now. What we're gonna do?
We're gonna scare some birds and try to get the eggs. And you see that they're gonna attack us.
It's so dangerous. What you're gonna do, man? Say that.
Oh, dangerous.
We're gonna take some eggs from that stupid bird.
Stupid birds?
And,
Why stupid birds?
Because they attack us. But they don't catch us. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go, man.
Okay.
Oh. Let's go, Derek.
Whoa! 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 Jesus Christ!
Whoa!
Whoa!
We go there the last time.
Quase. Oh, quase, hein?
You see? It was our movie! You see?
Woo! We'll never forget it.
Ah.
Now we are to the YouTube. Bye. Say goodbye to our friends.
Bye, man. Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye. You
Doei,
can
zoals
stop.